Welcome to Galaxy Coin, where the future of Web3 meets creativity. From NFT-powered comics like the Galaxy Guard series to our Galaxy Academy for crypto education, we're building the next generation of digital experiences. Weekly content, quizzes, rewards, and more, all powered by Galaxy Coins. Explore the universe with us. At Galaxy Coin, we envision a future where blockchain drives the advancement of space exploration. With innovative products like our NFT comic series and breakthroughs in Web3 technology, we're fostering collaboration that will shape industry leaders and inspire the next generation of space explorers. Our strategic partnerships with aerospace companies strengthen the Galaxy Coin brand. Exclusive NFTs fuel growth and engagement, while our secure whitelist process ensures a smooth purchasing experience, fostering a strong sense of community and connection. We at Galaxy Coin are aiming to partner with science institutions to create custom NFTs that fund educational initiatives. This effort supports the growth of the aerospace industry, fostering innovation and inspiring future generations of space explorers. At Galaxy Coin, our ambition is to lead the future of space exploration by staying at the forefront of blockchain innovation. With endless possibilities ahead, we aim to contribute to humanity's cosmic ventures, from Mars colonization to planet terraforming. We're targeting partnerships within the aerospace industry, positioning Galaxy Coin as a leader in aerospace tokenization. Our appeal crosses demographics, and we anticipate growing interest as the market evolves and more aerospace companies emerge. Matthew Johnson, a seasoned entrepreneur, leads Galaxy Coin with a vision of supporting space exploration. Co-founder Christina Johnson, a school psychologist with a deep passion for education, aims to inspire and uplift communities around the world through the project. At Galaxy Coins, our marketing team creates strategies to boost brand visibility, while our commerce team taps into aerospace expertise to uncover new opportunities. Our design team works closely with digital artists, enhancing our branding and highlighting technological innovations. The XRP Ledger's low fees and scalability make it a perfect fit for Galaxy Coin. Its decentralized platform supports smart contracts and NFT marketplaces, providing security and fostering growth as the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve. In 2021, Galaxy Coin laid its foundation by forming an LLC and establishing a social media presence. We began building partnerships and submitting exchange applications, marking the start of our journey in the blockchain industry. In 2022, Galaxy Coin expanded its team, launched on multiple exchanges, and introduced its comic book series. We rolled out new staking events and rewards, laying the groundwork for continued community engagement and growth. Our NFT comic made its debut on xmart.art in late 2022, expanding our reach. We also pursued new domains and exchange listings to strengthen our brand presence and connect with a broader audience. In 2023, Galaxy Coin made waves by attending Rocketown Comic Con, launching our innovative 3D NFTs linked to 3D print files, and releasing NFT comics. Moving into 2024, we partnered with Opulence X to release exclusive limited edition NFTs and rewards. We continue to expand partnerships and cultivate an ecosystem of innovation and collaboration. Our roadmap is focused on expanding the Galaxy Coin ecosystem with new NFTs, strategic partnerships, and educational initiatives. Our commitment to innovation drives continuous growth and adds value for our community.